How does natural law differ from utilitarianism regarding animal rights? Have you ever wondered how different ethical theories view animal rights? Today, we will compare natural law and utilitarianism to see how they approach this important topic. Natural law theory is based on the idea that moral principles come from the nature and purpose of beings. It emphasizes what is inherently good and how beings fulfill their natural purposes. In this view, animals do not have the same moral status as humans. This is because they lack certain capacities like rationality and moral reasoning, which are seen as defining features of human nature. Natural law theorists generally argue that animals are not considered bearers of rights in the same way humans are. While there is an acknowledgement of duties to treat animals humanely, these duties stem from human moral obligations rather than any rights animals may hold. Some natural law thinkers are skeptical about granting animals serious moral consideration, fearing that doing so might undermine human rights. On the other hand, utilitarianism takes a different approach. It bases moral value on the ability to experience pleasure and pain. This means that the consequences of actions are key in determining what is right or wrong. From a utilitarian perspective, animals matter because they can suffer. This theory supports animal rights to the extent that protecting animals from suffering contributes to the overall happiness of society. Utilitarianism does not grant animals inherent rights like humans have. Instead, it focuses on the moral significance of their interests. This means that while animal suffering should be minimized, it may be acceptable to sacrifice some animal interests if it leads to a greater overall benefit. This approach often results in practical advocacy for reforms aimed at reducing animal suffering, even if it does not call for the complete abolition of animal exploitation. To summarize the key differences, natural law theory derives moral status from nature and purpose, placing humans in a unique moral category. In contrast, utilitarianism focuses on sentience and the consequences of actions, extending moral concern to animals. Natural law emphasizes duties grounded in human nature, while utilitarianism encourages actions that reduce suffering, even if animals remain as property or means to human ends. These differing foundations lead to distinct conclusions about animal rights and welfare. Natural law may advocate for humane treatment based on human virtue, while utilitarianism pushes for policies that aim to reduce animal suffering. Understanding these differences can help clarify the ongoing discussions about ethics and animal rights in our society.